today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the common issue you might encounter in Microsoft Excel. When you can't paste your data and you're met with that frustrating message, Excel cannot paste the data. Now let's tackle this problem together step by step. First, open your Microsoft Excel application if you haven't already, and load up the workbook you're working on. Once you're in, direct your attention to the very top left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a sidebar on the left with various options for your document. Next, from this sidebar, you'll want to look for and click on Options. Selecting this will open a new window full of different settings that you can tweak to make Excel work just the way you like it. Here, we're going to focus on the Advanced settings. With the Advanced settings open, scroll through until you find the section entitled General. It's in this area that you'll see an option related to Dynamic Data Exchange, or DDE for short. Specifically, you need to locate the checkbox that reads Ignore other applications that use Dynamic Data Exchange, DDE. You might notice that this box is ticked. What this means is that Excel has been set to disregard any data exchanged dynamically from other applications, which can sometimes prevent data from being pasted correctly. So our next step is simple. Uncheck that box. In doing this, you're allowing Excel to acknowledge and process information coming from other applications, which often solves the pesky pasting problem. Once you've unchecked the box, let things save by clicking OK at the bottom of the Options window. This action will close the window and apply the changes you've just made. In essence, what you've done is give Excel permission to communicate and exchange data dynamically with other applications, which should remove the barrier preventing your data from being pasted as expected. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you should find that the issue of not being able to paste data into Excel is resolved. It's a quick fix that doesn't require much technical know-how, but it can save you a ton of frustration when working on your spreadsheets. Before you head off to test this out on your own, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Your feedback is incredibly helpful and supports the creation of more content like this. Also, feel free to comment below if there are any other tutorials you'd like to see. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks for working smarter and more efficiently in Excel. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you with your next Excel challenge.